My frog in all of this grass. Probably gonna tie one of those on. Oh, got him. Oh, I lost him on the wake rat. Did you see that? No, it was a bass. Son of a gun. That was, never mind, I'm not taking this off yet. Fine, fine, fine. Got him again. Oh my God, he came back for it. And then I tend to get a little scared of them. No way. Ooh, another long one. I just want to know if anyone's seen him come out of the water about a good 2.5 feet, dude. That was insanity. Jacob.